Hi, welcome to my first tutorial on how to solve kata on CodeWars.com. For example, we here have a simple JavaScript exercise. We must to count sheep that are coming on Friday and or Saturday from the farmer's yard. So we must just calculate the sum of numbers within this first array and sum up second array, and the difference between this sum should be output of the function, should return from the function. So we have a total, we just return the total and subtract the sum of two arrays. So let's concatenate the two arrays, Friday concat Saturday, and then let's reduce the reduce method from ES6 as a method that will sum up the elements, and we will also give a starting number 0, and just in case when we sum up the empty arrays. This should be enough, I guess. Let's say if we will have success. Yes, we have success. So let's attempt more. Well, we have success. Thank you very much for your attention, and until the next view.